Good afternoon, everybody. It is fall. It is that time of year where we are going back to the warming hut. It's a refuge for snowmobilers during the snowmobile season, but when it's outside of that season, you can reserve it and you can go camp there, and it's so much fun, so much fun. So we're like down to the last 3 weeks of being able to reserve it. This is the best time because it's icy cold. You can run the hot stove when you get there and warm up and have some fun. You know where we're going?
Egan Basin, if I don't hear from you by tomorrow night.
Well, give us at least Sunday. Maybe we're having a good time.
I'm giving you till Saturday at 5.
We got places to be. Okay, we'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye, Dolly. In all my years past of going four-wheeling and stuff, you've kind of had to work with hand signals with the kids and shouting as loud as you can, losing your lungs. But because of an install I did in today's task, which you guys can go check out, I'll leave the link in the description, we put on some sweet new tech stuff for the kids. So the kids are all wired up now. It seems a little bit wild because there's all these wires, but honestly, it's great. How this works is if Lincoln wants to talk to me, he pushes that red button and then he talks, okay? So you got to use your thumb and push that red button, and then you can talk into your microphone and I'll hear you.
Dad?
Hey, I can hear you. What's cool is we've got one for everybody. So now we can get everybody hooked up and running. Is everybody excited? That means you're having a real good time, buddy.
So cold.
We got to the warming hut and it is 40 degrees. Let's see how hot we can get it tonight.
Can I hold your phone?
There's a fire. Let's keep that in the fireplace. You still cold, Linky?
Yeah.
Are ya?
Trying to make me warmer by roasting this stick.
I think it's hot. Can I check out my coat?
Yeah, you've been working chopping all this fine firewood we got here, bud.
Okay, now do you remember splitting it? This here piece of wood that's burning right here, you're gonna get heat from it, right? That's gonna warm you. It heats you 3 times: when you cut the tree down, when you split the wood, and when you burn the wood.
We're gonna try something that we've never used before. I mean, maybe for aluminum foil dinners or whatever. I think we've done it once before, but we're cooking hot dogs. Last year I forgot a hot dog pan for the hot dogs. I remember one for chili, so I threw the hot dogs in the chili. It worked. I thought it was fine. I was planning on doing that again this year, but the kids kind of wanted to roast them, and since we got up at a good time, we were like, let's roast some hot dogs.
Yeah, and we put them on a stick.
Every single year we come up, this is the can opener I use for getting my cans open. It works so good. If you've never done it, you seriously just put it on the side and pop that bad boy and then work your way around.
Wait.
Look at that bad boy. Look at that good looking chili. Okay, you dump that guy in?
Yeah.
Okay, dump it in.
Oh, actually it just smells like chili.
That's weird. It smells like chili.
Oh.
Okay, that one's empty. Fancy cutting with you. At 4:30 in the morning, you start a fire, I guess. Things you do in a cabin? Tell riddles.
What can the strongest man not hold for 5 minutes?
Your breath.
Oh, his breath. That's a good one. I thought that was good.
I'm close enough.
That's ridiculous.
Look, I'm close.
No, still not up there, but and I have Christmas in a cup. We brought that, and I did bring the secret ingredient, which is sugar. Bonnie won't let me, put it in hers, but I put it in mine because it's good, and it says it on the box to do that. Well, if it looks like our party tripled in occupation, it did. The local snowmobile club is here, filling up all the lumber for this place, getting it all prepped and ready. What is cool is we bumped into some people that are our new soon-to-be neighbors. That's kind of fun, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, one of the couples here live up there already.
Really?
So that's kind of fun. What is super fun is because we've had these radios, I've kind of been able to let the kids be way more free. Last time it was like line of sight. I couldn't let them go very far because if I lost sound of the machine, I just got too nervous. Just didn't feel safe. But because they're on radios, they can go a lot longer. Olivia and Cody were able to go off kind of on a longer ride by themselves.
Plugged in all the way.
Okay, you guys head back up here and I'll get them all the way plugged in. There you go. See, they saved the day already. If your child wakes up in the middle of the night with some wet jammies and a wet sleeping bag, you grab your blankets from the back of your truck at 4 in the morning, put them in that, and then put them in Old Faithful pink blanket. I should have done that to begin with, so that it would be waterproof from the start, but we didn't think that way. Problem. Somebody's always got to go pee.
Another beaver dam.
You watch your language, okay? Grandpa's offended.
I did not think I was gonna get it that bad. You guys, that was amazing. That was so much fun. I'm very covered in mud right now. Thanks, Olivia. Hey, whoa, Tito. Okay, quit walking around like that. Oh, man. Almost. So let's see, let's go. Just pee right there. No hot rodding, okay?
What's that?
Driving fast or crazy, okay? You can hot rod a little bit later.
Boston's down, Dad.
What has...
Dad?
Yeah, bud?
What'd you say?
I didn't say nothing. Oh, hey, careful, 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 careful. You're gonna throw it at a vehicle, bud.